Is the small excavator model R15ECO from our RIPA group. Its actual weight is 1,500 kilograms. And we use a Kubota engine with the model D722. This excavator has the following performance characteristics. Imported accessories enhance the overall performance of the machine. A single forging cylinder that is not easy to break with a built-in hook seal. Thicker, high-quality steel is used, and a plastic molding process is applied to prevent rust and corrosion. The use of internationally renowned brand reducers ensures smooth operation and high reliability. We welcome your inquiries and look forward to serving your needs.